children. So previously we studied about the chromosomes, formation of chromosomes and functioning of chromosomes. Now in some organisms, as I have said you, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So prokaryotes are those organisms which are not having a membrane bound organelles, right? So next definition is of nucleolite. What is this nucleolite? Now some organisms like bacteria. Now as I have said, if you take an animal cell, right, you will find a nucleus. Inside the nucleus you are going to find the chromatin matter, nucleolus, right? So this is an eukaryotic cell. But when you go for a prokaryotic cells, right? Example, bacteria. Bacteria looks like a rod snake-like structure, right? Which is flagella, right? So these organisms, they are not having nuclear membrane. As I said, nuclear bond membrane. The chromatin matter is just free, right? So this region where this chromatin matter is present is called as a nucleolite. Is called as a nucleolite. So some organisms like bacteria, where nuclear region, this nuclear region, they are not having any nuclear membrane here. It is purely developed. So it is not developed properly. So there is absence of this nuclear region. This nuclear region is not present. That is why this is called as nucleolite. It is called as a nucleolite. So this is just a definition of what is a nucleolite. Next we shall move towards the next cell organelle which is present in the cell. That is endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Now what is this endoplasmic reticulum? So whatever organelles now we are studying, they are all membrane bond organelles. They are all membrane bond organelles. Now how does this endoplasmic reticulum look? This endoplasmic reticulum looks like a long tube-like structures, right? This way. If you look into the structure, it is like this. Okay? So it is nothing but long tube-like structures. Now what? They are large network. If you look in the cell, this is the nucleus, right? And they are surrounding the nucleus tube. And it extends from nucleus till the plasma membrane. So they are extending from the nucleus till the plasma membrane. Now what is, when I say they are extending from nucleus till the plasma membrane, just the thing that comes to your mind is, yes, one of their function might be transportation, right? One of their function might be transportation. Let us make the diagram to look much attractive. Okay. Remember, the moment the examiner sees your diagram, he should be able to say, this is what it is. Okay. As I said to you, endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane bond tubes. Don't they assume to be tube-like structures, children? Right? So they are large network. They are spread all over the cell. So they are large network of membrane bond. These are nothing but membrane bond. Whatever present inside, it is enclosed in a membrane in the form of either tubes, and you can see these are the sheets 1, This is very, very important, children. The endoplasmic reticulum, which is present near the nucleus, it is consisting of ribosomes attached to it, which makes the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum appear to be rough. That is why it is called as a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Here also I can show. Can you see the spherical structures? These spherical structures are ribosomes. They are present on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. Now these ribosomes, they help in the manufacture of proteins. In the other words, you can say they are protein factories. At this part, the proteins are manufactured. That is why they are called as ribosomes are site for protein manufacture. The proteins are produced here, which you can also call it as protein factories. Now this endoplasmic reticulum helps to send the protein to various. Now whatever protein is manufactured here, this protein is transferred to all the parts of the cell wherever it is required. So this is the function of a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Once again, they are called as a rough endoplasmic reticulum because ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, making it rough. Now these ribosomes help in the manufacture of proteins, and these proteins, whichever is manufactured here, these endoplasmic reticulum help in transferring wherever the protein is required inside the cell. Now next, moving to smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now this smooth endoplasmic reticulum, here the ribosomes are not attached to it. Same structure, okay? Ribosomes, only the difference is ribosomes are not attached to it. They are smooth. Now these help in the manufacture, as I said, these help in the manufacture of proteins, right? And these smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacture of fat molecules, or which you call it as lipids. Remember the difference, children? Rough endoplasmic reticulum, proteins; smooth endoplasmic reticulum, fat molecules or lipids. And some of these lipids which are manufactured here help in the formation of the cell membrane. Whatever is outside which is present, it helps in the formation of this cell membrane. And some of the lipids help in the formation of enzymes and hormones. Okay, so this is all about endoplasmic reticulum. Once again, in a gist, endoplasmic reticulum are nothing but a large network which extend from the nucleus till the plasma membrane. Their common functions as endoplasmic reticulum is manufacture of proteins, lipids or fat molecules. Okay, and there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the endoplasmic reticulum, which consists of ribosomes attached to it, they are called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. They help in the synthesis of proteins or manufacture of proteins. Okay, and this proteins, whatever is produced, is sent to various parts of the cell wherever it is required. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it helps in the manufacture of fat or lipids. Okay, and this fats or lipids, some of the fats or lipids, not all. Some of them help in the formation of the plasma membrane, and some of them also help in the formation of enzymes and hormones. So the diagram as well as functions are very, very important. Now just few questions which you can answer, children. The endoplasmic reticulum which have the ribosomes attached to them, they are called as dash. Okay, try to answer this question, simple one. And the smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the formation of dash. These two answers you can write and comment it. Okay, so let's again continue with the next.